Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com, and in this video, we're taking a look at the song So Will I 100 Billion Times by Hillsong. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check that out right here. It's going to show you the arrangement that you're going to learn in this tutorial. Also, I'm going to be using a lot of advanced guitar chords in this tutorial because it's an advanced guitar tutorial. So if you want to learn even more of those advanced guitar chords, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to play the song. But if you want to learn more, there's a link to a free PDF down in the description below called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords. Other than that, let's get into the tutorial. And we're going to start off because I want to show you how my capo is positioned here. We're going to be in the key of E, playing D shapes with our capo on the 2nd fret, but I do this all the time. You can see that there. I've got my capo turned backwards, leaving this open E string open so that when I strum the guitar, I've got this nice big D chord here. So keep that in mind as you watch this tutorial. I'm doing things a little bit differently with the tutorial right now, so let me know if you like that down in the comments below. And here's the tutorial. God of creation, there at the start, before the beginning of time. With no point of reference, you spoke to the dark and fleshed out the wonders of light. And as you speak, 100 billion galaxies are born in the vapor of a breath. The planets fall. If the stars were made to worship, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you made. Every burning star, signal fire of grace. If creation sings your praises, so will I. God of your promise, you don't speak in vain, no syllable empty or void. Once you were spoken, nature and science follow the sound of your voice. And as you speak, 100 billion creatures catch your breath, evolving in pursuit of what you say. It all reveals your nature, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you say. Every painted sky, a canvas of your grace. If creation still obeys you, so will I. So will I. Made to worship, so will I. If the mountains bow in reverence, so will I. If the oceans roar your greatness, so will I. If everything exists to lift you high, so will I. If the wind goes where you send it, so will I. Cry out in silence, so will I. If the sum of all our praises still fall shy. Oh, we'll sing again 100 billion times. God of salvation, you chased down my heart through all of my failure and pride. On a hill you created, the light of the world, abandoned in darkness to die. And as you speak, 100 billion failures disappear. Where you lost your life so I could find it here. If you left the grave behind you, so will I. I can see your heart in everything you've done. Part designed in a work of art called love. If you gladly choose surrender, so will I. I can see your heart 8 billion different ways. Every precious one, a child you died to save. If you gave your life to love them, so will I. Like you would again 100 billion times. What measure could amount to your desire? You're the one who never leaves the one behind. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. You're the one who never leaves the one behind. Congratulations, you just learned how to lead the song So Will I 100 billion times by Hillsong with just you and an acoustic guitar. Hey, if you liked some of those advanced guitar chords that you learned all throughout that tutorial and you want to learn even more of them, I've got you covered. There's a link down in the description below to a free PDF I put together called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you even more of those advanced guitar chords that you can use to level up your guitar playing. Also, let me know down in the comments below if you like this new form of tutorial where I just show you the cover with the chords over here, or if you prefer that I go back to the old way. Just let me know down in the comments below. I won't be offended either way. I'm just trying to figure out what works, and this seemed, in my mind, like a simpler way of teaching things. So let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.